Welcome to the official video overview for the initial public offer of ALCOBREW Distilleries India Limited. According to Technopak report, we are an Indian IMFL manufacturing company with presence across whiskey, vodka, gin, rum, and brandy categories, operating primarily in prestige and above segments. This video is directed at and is intended for distribution to and used by residents of India only. The information in this video is not for publication or distribution directly or indirectly in or into the United States. No part of the contents of this video shall be copied or duplicated in any form by any means or redistributed. You are viewing this video on the basis that you have confirmed your representation, agreement and acknowledgement to the book running lead manager and ALCOBREW Distilleries India Limited that you are the intended recipient of this video and you are located in India. If you are not permitted to view this video or are in any doubt as to whether you are permitted to view this video, please exit this video. Caution: investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information provided in respect to the public issue on the internet, online websites, social media platforms, microblogging platforms by finfluencers. Investors are advised to rely only on the information contained in the offer document and price band advertisement for making investment decision. Investors are advised to read the draft red herring prospectus dated September 25, 2025. The DRHP is available on the websites of SEBI, the stock exchanges that is NSE and BSE, the BRLM Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors Limited, and our company as displayed. ALCOBREW Distilleries India Limited IPO, comprising of a fresh issue up to equity shares of face value of 10 rupees, each aggregating up to 2,582.59 million rupees, and an offer for sale of up to 18 million equity shares of face value of 10 rupees, each aggregating up to million rupees. The offer for sale comprises the sale of equity shares held by the promoter selling shareholders in the IPO, and proceeds of the offer for sale will not be received by the company. ALCOBREW Distilleries India Limited was incorporated on December 10, 2002, with its registered office at C423, Sarita Vihar, South Delhi, New Delhi 110076, India, and corporate office at 6th floor, Magnum Tower 2, Sector 58, Golf Course Extension Road, Gurugram, Haryana, India. Established in the year 2002, our company started its operations with bottling liquor for various brands at our bottling plant in Dera Bassi, Punjab in the year 2006, and over the years expanded its business into manufacturing and sales of high-quality liquor brands across Delhi, Punjab, Chandigarh, Uttarakhand, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Leh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Odisha, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Goa, DDS, Andaman Nicobar and Tripura. According to Technopak report, we have 3.79% market share of the North India whisky market and a 11.02% market share in Delhi in fiscal year 2025 in terms of volume. Further, in order to expand our operations, we set up our distillery at the picturesque Gambhir Valley in the Solan district of Himachal Pradesh in 2022 for distillation and bottling. As on March 31, 2025, the company manufactures and sells over 13 different brands of whiskey, vodka, rum, brandy and scotch, and has a total bottling capacity of 6.40 million cases with existing SKU, with sales and distribution across India. According to Technopak report, we had a share of 3.35% by volume in the upper end of the whiskey market's prestige segment, that is in the MRP range of 675 to 1,000 Indian rupees for fiscal year 2025. For further details, please refer to the section titled Industry Overview on page 123 of the DRHP. We became the official licensee of Davide Campari Milano NV, David Campari, for manufacturing and sales of its brands, Old Smuggler Scotch and Old Smuggler Rum in India in the year 2010. In the year 2012, we embarked on the journey of manufacturing and launched our flagship brand White and Blue Whiskey, followed by Golfer's Shot Whiskey in the year 2014, White Hills Whiskey in the year 2015, ALCOBREW Single Oak Whiskey in the year 2022, and Golfer's Shot 18-Hole Whiskey in the year 2023. Our company has also launched several brands of rum, vodka and brandy since 2017, including Lion Daddy Dark Rum, Victorio Reserve Brandy in the year 2017 and 1 more vodka in the year 2020. In the fiscal 2025, we have expanded our portfolio with the launch of a new luxury whiskey brand, namely Golden Circle Whiskey, and another brand of rum in prestige category, namely Brum, lemon-flavored white rum, further strengthening our presence in the luxury and prestige segments, respectively. As on the date of this draft red herring prospectus, our product portfolio comprises of 13 products across our various product categories. We manufacture high-quality IMFL in the popular, prestige, premium, and luxury segments. The infographic below depicts our various growth metrics and achievements since establishment. For further details, please refer to the section titled Our Business on page 183 of the DRHP. As on the date of this draft red herring prospectus, our product range includes 5 main categories of IMFL, that is whiskey, brandy, rum, vodka, and scotch. Our bottling plant, located in Dera Bassi, Punjab, bottling plant, was set up in the year 2006 with 5 bottling lines. As on date, our bottling plant has 11 bottling lines with a production capacity of 4.62 million cases per annum and is spread over area of 25,208 square meters. Our distillation and bottling plant located in Gamba Valley, Solan, Himachal Pradesh, distillation and bottling plant was set up in the year 2022 and is spread over area of 26,944 square meters. For further details, please refer to the section titled Our Business on page 183 of the DRHP. Investors should note the following important risks. 1. Our operations are dependent on the supply of raw materials, and our top 10 supplier contributed 61.91%, 61.84%, and 66.73% to our cost of goods sold in fiscal 2025, fiscal 2024, and fiscal 2023, respectively. Inadequate or interrupted supply and price fluctuation of our raw materials, including packaging materials, could adversely affect our business, results of operations, cash flows, profitability, and financial condition. Any change in guidelines by Government of India or any other governmental nodal agencies for procurement or stocking of ENA can also impact prices of our raw materials. Any increase in the cost of, or a shortfall in the availability of, such raw materials could have an adverse effect on our business and results of operations, and seasonal variations could also result in fluctuations in our results of operations. 2. Our industry is subject to expensive licensing and complex tax regime, with changing tax laws, rules and regulations, and uncertainties which could impact our business, financial condition, results of operations and prospects. 3. We derive a substantial portion of our revenue from sale of whiskey brands, and any reduction in demand of whiskey due to change in customers' preferences and their spending patterns, or our failure to adapt our product offerings to changing market trends and consumer tastes, preferences and spending habits could have an adverse effect on our business, results of operations and financial condition. 4. The improper handling, processing or storage of raw materials or products, or any real or perceived contamination in our products could subject us to regulatory and legal action, damage our reputation, and have an adverse effect on our business, results of operations, and financial condition. 5. We are dependent on the strength of our brand and reputation. If we are unable to maintain and enhance our brand and reputation, the sales of our products may suffer, which would have a material adverse effect on our business operations. The promoters of our company are Romesh Pandita, Veena Pandita, and Romesh Pandita Family Trust, who holds an aggregate of 153,996,000 equity shares, which constitute 99.99% of the issued, subscribed, and paid-up equity share capital of our company. Please refer to page 84 of the DRHP for details of capital structure of our company. Our board has 6 directors, of whom 3 are executive directors, including 1 woman executive director, and 3 are independent directors. Company's revenue from operations for the financial year ended March 2025, 2024, and 2023 as 16,150.13 million, 16,401.14 million, and 12,168.66 million rupees, respectively. The EBITDA margin % for the financial year ended March 2025, 2024 and 2023 was 15.21%, 13.82% and 13.94% respectively. Investors are advised to read the DRHP, including pages 245B for further information on financials and related information. There are outstanding litigation proceedings involving our company, directors, other than promoters, key managerial personnel and senior management personnel, and promoters. Any adverse outcome in such proceedings may have an adverse impact on our reputation, business, financial condition, results of operations, and cash flows. For further details, see Outstanding Litigation and Material Developments on page 333 of the DRHP. Our company proposes to utilize the net proceeds from the fresh issue towards funding the following objects. IPO will be conducted through book building with allotment of not more than 50% of the net offer to qualified institutional buyers, QIBs, not less than 15% to non-institutional bidders, NEBs, and not less than 35% to retail individual bidders. The equity shares are proposed to be listed on BSE Limited and the National Stock Exchange of India Limited. Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors Limited is the sole book-running lead manager to the offer. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk, and investors should not invest any funds in the offer unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Please read the draft red herring prospectus dated September 25, 2025, and any corrigendum or addendums thereto. Disclaimer: neither the company nor the promoter are seeking an investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only, and is not a promotional video, and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should wait for the red herring prospectus to be filed in relation to the offer for making any investment decision.